Hello guys, how are you doing? Do you know that a single view from the USA or UK could earn you 5 to 10 times more than a view from other countries, especially third world countries? That's crazy, right? If you are grinding to grow your YouTube channel, targeting viewers from the first world countries like USA, Canada, UK, or Australia could be the secret sauce to skyrocketing your revenue and audience. I have been hearing that not all views are the same, but I just confirmed it after seeing how much YouTube paid me for 1K views that I got from a US audience compared to how much I got for the same 1K view that I got from my country's audience. I just realized that it is not just about view, it is not just about small view, it is about getting the right view. In today's video, I'll break down why first world viewers are a game changer for you as a YouTuber. I'll share with you 7 practical strategies you can use to attract those high value viewers to your channel, and most importantly, one setting you need to add to your channel that will attract viewers from first world countries. Plus, I'll share with you real life instances so that I get to see and get a full picture of what I'm talking about. So if you are new to my channel, my name is Charles Chinoso, and right here I share tutorials on how to make money online, YouTube monetization, and how-to tutorials. So kindly like this video, kindly subscribe to this channel, and drop a comment if you got value watching this. Now let's get started. So let's start by talking about why you should care about getting views from first world countries. So here's the thing, guys. First world countries like USA, Canada, UK, Australia, most of these European countries, they have a stronger economies than countries from third world countries. Therefore, you get to see advertisers willing to pay more to reach audiences from these first world countries, and this greatly influence the CPM of your YouTube videos. So in countries like USA, the CPMs can range from $5 to $15, sometimes even higher for hot niche topics like tech or finance, compared to other regions where you are being paid 50 cents to $2. So guess you now see the difference, and guess you see why audiences from first world countries matter. So a video with 10,000 views from the USA could earn you as much as $50 to $150, while the same views elsewhere might only bring you $5 to $20. Like, the difference is just so much, guys. But it's not just about the money, guys. Viewers from first world countries tend to be more engaged, and with an engaged audience, your channel can easily blow up very fast. You also get to enjoy brand and sponsorship deals from brands with huge budgets. So imagine landing a $1,000 sponsorship deal because your channel attracts viewers from London or New York. You will literally be smiling to the bank every time. So now you might be thinking, how can I reach these audiences, or how can I get to enjoy these great benefits? Well, stick with me, guys, because I'm about to share with you exactly how you can attract viewers from these countries. So drop a comment below if you are excited to learn these tips. If you are happy about this, just drop a comment below. I'm waiting, guys. So have you commented? Awesome. So let's keep going, guys. So now that you know why first world viewers are so valuable, let's get into the how. I'll be sharing with you 7 actionable strategies that can attract viewers from first world countries like USA, UK, Australia, and so on. These are practical beginner friendly tips that you can start using today. So, are you ready? Alright, so the first strategy I'll tell you guys, or I'll be reading to you guys, is you need to optimize your content for global appeal. You need to optimize your content for global appeal. First up, you want to make sure that your content is universally appealing. When choosing that next topic for your channel or you want to discuss, ensure that it is globally appealing. This should reflect in your title, in your thumbnail. Do you get, like, not just about the content? Let that global appeal reflect in your title and thumbnail. You know that is what a viewer sees first before deciding to click on any video. So ensure that your thumbnail and title are globally appealing. First world audiences love topics like tech reviews, lifestyle vlogs, fitness, gaming, or personal finance. These are topics that resonate across cultures. So you need to avoid overly niche or region specific content. For example, instead of you making a video on a local lifestyle or a local festival, you can try something like top 10 budget travel tips. That way you get to appeal to viewers in the New York or in Sydney. Hope you are getting the points, guys. You might worry about losing your local audience, but don't worry about that. You can still make some local content to feed your existing audience. Peradventure, you are someone that has already grown a fan base locally. So just ensure that you balance it. Balance it with broader topics. So start planning your next video around a universal theme. Let me know what topic you would be picking. So just go to the comment section and let me know what topic you'll be talking about for your next video. So now let's move on to the second way you can use to attract views from first world countries. So the second way for you to attract views from first world countries is by leveraging English language content. So English is like the key to unlocking first world audiences, especially in the USA or in Canada or in Australia. Even if English is not your first language, creating videos in English or adding English subtitles can make your content accessible to millions of viewers across USA and Europe. Here's how. Record in your native language, but ensure to add English subtitles to it using the YouTube auto caption tool. Hope you're getting the point, guys. You can also hire a freelancer on Fiverr to help you put subtitles to your videos. So subtitles are like they are also important if your English isn't very clear. Do you understand? Like if you know your English, like you have a very thick accent, you can also put a subtitle so that it makes it easier for everyone to understand your video. So hope you got that point, guys. Awesome. So let's move on to the third strategy, which you can use to attract viewers from first world countries. So the third strategy is for you to improve your video production quality. First world viewers, they often expect polished and clean content. So investing in better visuals, audios, and editing can make your video stand out. You don't need a $5,000 camera. Just get yourself a decent smartphone, good lighting, and clear audio. That is enough for you to have a very clean video. So you can start by investing in a mic. Then after then, you can go ahead and buy yourself a ring light. Just start small, guys, but ensure that you are determined to create a global standard video in the end. Like if you cannot afford all those tools at a time, probably the money is just too much for you to afford at a time. You can start small, buy one tool at a time. Okay. And also there are tons of videos on YouTube, like there are tons of tutorials on YouTube that can help you with your editing. So just keep improving and watch your earnings double. Hope you get the point, guys. Awesome. So let's proceed with the fourth strategy, which you can use to like attract viewers from first world countries. So the fourth secret method is collaboration. You want to collaborate with creators in first world countries. Collaboration are shortcuts to new audiences. Partnering with creators in the USA, UK, or Australia can expose your channel to their viewers. So find creators and partner with them in making a video. So after making the videos together and they publish it on their channel, there's a very high chance of their subscribers coming to check you out, which means that they will also subscribe to your channel and also watch your videos. So you can reach out to creators if you want to collaborate with them. Just reach out to them through their email, and this is how you go about that.
Alright, so let's assume this is a creator from USA and you want to like get our email for collaboration. So just come to where this logo is so that it will take you straight to our channel backend. So right here, it has gotten to the channel backend. So just come over here and you click on more. Can you see? Click on more right here. So can you see that she has her email here? So most YouTubers usually put their email right here. So you can just copy this email and send her an email requesting for collaboration. And you can also come down where you have more info. So once you get down here, you get to see view email address. So just tap on view email address. So I'll click on I'm not a robot right here. And I'll click on submit. So can you see our email address is showing right here again. So peradventure the person did not put his or her email in the description of our video right here, just like this one right here. Always come down to click on view email address and you get to see the creator's email address. Like this one now is a Nigerian creator. So that is the same way you get to access a creator that is from USA or from UK or any first world country that you want to collaborate with. So I guess you understand that part, right? Awesome.
So this is how easy it is to get the contact detail of any YouTube channel owner. So you can actually reach out to them for possible collaboration. Awesome. So let's proceed with the fifth way, which you can use to like get or attract audience from first world countries. So the fifth way is through the use of social media promotion. So find platforms online that consist large number of audiences from your desired country and share your videos with such platform. You can promote your videos on platforms like Reddit, Twitter, Instagram. These are platforms that are very popular in first world countries. You can also join Facebook groups. Just ensure that that group contain or consists of people that are in your desired country. So social media promotion is also a great way of you attracting viewers from first world countries. So moving ahead to the sixth way, which you can use to attract viewers from first world country, is for you to be aware of the time difference. Imagine you post your video when your desired audience are already sleeping. I'm very sure that you'll not be able to attract them that way. So first of all, find out the time that your desired audience are in and get to figure out if that is actually the right time for you to post that video. So I guess you understand that part, right? Be time cautious, understand time difference.
Alright, so let me show you that one setting you need to do if you want your audience to be pushed to the US or to any first world country. So let's assume you want to create a new video right now. So you come here and click on create, then they ask you to upload your video. So I'll click on upload video and I'll come over here and click on select files. So once I click on select files, then I'll go ahead and choose one of these videos. These videos are like short videos, so just 40 seconds video. So once I come down here, so this is where you get to like put every details about your video before uploading it. So before you do that, just come down to where you have this show more button. Like you should scroll down. Once you click on show more, then you scroll down again till where you see location. Can you see video location? It is showing none right here. So right here you have to choose the location you want your video to appear in. So if I should choose United States right here, so you get to see that I'll be given the privilege to select United States. Can you see? So the thing about this is that you can only choose one location at a time. You can't choose two or three locations at the same time. So just decide which location you want your video should be pushed to. And if you are doing this, you have to be cautious of the time zone. So just go ahead and publish this once you are done with every details you want to add to the video. So that is how you get to like set your video if you want it to appear in any first world country. So you can also apply the same setting to your existing video. So for you to do that, just come over to where your videos are, then you click on the edit button. So this is where my videos are. So let me work on this previously uploaded video. So if I should click on this button right here, it will take me to the edit section. So I'll just scroll down. You can also do this on your mobile phone. Do you understand? Not just a laptop. So you click on show more again. Once you click on show more, then you scroll down again to where you have location. So right here you can see video location. So just put in that location you want your video should appear in. So then you go ahead and save it and your video will start getting pushed to that location. So this is basically the one setting that can change the game for you. So just start implementing this. You don't want to apply it in all your videos. If your videos are for Nigerian audience, don't go and put USA right there. If not, that video will end up performing very bad.
All right. So these are the 7 strategies. Okay. So just pick one or two and start with them and watch your first world views climb. So smash that like button if you are feeling inspired, if you are getting value, guys. So drop a comment and tell me what's your big dream for your channel. Let's keep this momentum going and let's encourage one another. The key is for you to take action. Just take action. Imagine this. If in 3 months your channel could be earning double with thousands of new subscribers from New York, London, or Sydney, it's what could happen if you focus on the right audience. So what's your next step? Drop a comment and tell me which of the strategy you are going to try first. I'll be checking the comment section and I'll read every single comment. So if you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up because that will tell YouTube to share it with more creators like you. So don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification button so that you don't miss any next video I make. I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.